Problem 1 from our review sheet says, graph the solution set of the equation y equals negative 3x plus 4. Plot at least 3 points. Be sure to label the points on the graph. So this is an example of a linear equation in 2 variables. Remember, linear equations in 2 variables have an infinite number of solutions. Each solution is an ordered pair, one value for x, one value for y, that solves the equation. Remember, to solve the equation means that when you put the values in for x and y, it will make the left side the same as the right side. And since there are an infinite number of solutions to a linear equation in 2 variables, we use a graph to picture all of those solutions. We use a graph to picture the solution set, it's called. That's what the set of all solutions is called. It's typically called the solution set. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get some solutions, and we were supposed to get 3 solutions. Remember, when the equation is in this form, and remember this form is the slope intercept form. When the equation has been solved for y, that's the slope-intercept form. So that the slope of the line that we create will be negative 3, and the y-intercept will be 4. In fact, that gives us one of our solutions we can quickly use. If we let x be 0, the y is 4. That's what the y-intercept represents. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, and where you cross the y-axis, the x value is 0. So here's a solution we can immediately graph. That would be the point 0, 4. So we start at the origin, and we stay at the origin for x because it's here on the y-axis that x is 0, and then to go where y is 4, going up on the vertical axis gives us positive values, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is approximately the point 0, 4. My graph, of course, is not going to be very accurate because the grid was drawn freehand here. Now we need to get another solution. So let's let x be 1. If we let x be 1, so negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So y has to equal 1. Well, that was interesting. When x was 1, y was also 1. So that would be the point approximately here. Go over 1 for x, up 1 for y. Let's find another solution point then. Let's let x be 2. So substituting 2 in place of x into the equation, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So y has to equal negative 2 when x is positive 2. So start at the origin, go to where x is 2, which would be 2 units to the right, go where y is negative 2, which would be 2 units down, and there's the point 2, negative 2. And remember then, once you've plotted those points, then you draw the line, the straight line that intersects those points, and this is the graph of the entire solution set of this linear equation in 2 variables. Remember, any point on this line, then, if you knew the ordered pair from that point, if you plugged it in for x and y, it would be a solution to that equation.